welcome to our channel. So today we're gonna make bread burfi. Let's start. Add half cup of sugar to a hot pan. Add quarter cup of water to it. Add 1.5 teaspoon of ghee. Keep stirring till the sugar gets dilute. Boil the sugar in low flame. Add 1 cup of breadcrumbs to the boiled sugar syrup. Keep mixing till everything combines well. Once it's mixed well, add quarter cup of milk powder. Mix well till it forms dough. Transfer prepared dough to a baking tray and set well. Top the burfi with almonds and pistachios. Allow to set for 2 hours. Now cut the burfi into pieces and serve. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel.